Great technologies, big and tall building. This is our first day, first stop para sa aming journey to the United States of America. I am going to the Andriani suspension class and stop over muna for 12 hours dito sa Taipei. We are in front of the Taipei 101 building. Just a quick feedback about this country. Syempre, whenever you go to places, you can't help but compare yung place where you are more comfortable. Dito, ang ganda ng kanilang train system. Ang bilis magpalipat-lipat ng mga station. Ang bilis din pumunta sa mga iba-ibang lugar kahit malayo dahil sobrang systematic. MRT rin ang tawag nila, by the way. And along the way, makikita mo na very urbanized ang city. Great technologies, big and tall building. Pero greatly na-preserve nila yung nature kasi parang merong city and province in one while you are on the train. Napakalinis din, halos walang basura, walang masyadong pollution. From what I've noticed, walang masyadong traffic. And most ng motor na nandito ay SYM at Kimco. Mga Japanese bikes don't dominate here, pero marami ring European and Japanese cars. So, ang flight namin towards San Francisco later will be 7 o'clock. We are heading back to Taoyuan, Terminal 2 para sa aming flight later. Isa pang maganda rito, napakamura din ang mga bilihin. For about more or less 60 pesos, you'll have a decent, fulfilling meal na talaga namang masarap pa din. Yung motor yun, ganda. SYM.